Hi guys, welcome back to Tiny Motors Guild. Today we are at the Pune Diecast meetup at Cafe PNQ Koth Road. It's the 14th of September and we have quite a lot of amazing collections on display. कुछ यहाँ पे trade और sale वगैरह भी चल रहा है. So let's quickly give it a look. So right here you can see this is the venue that we booked. It's a hall on the first floor and काफ़ी ज़्यादा आपको यहाँ पे variety देखने मिल जाएगी collections की. So right here, this is Rishabh. Hello Rishabh, and he's got this amazing, huge 1:6 Batmobile to show us. So tell us more about this, Rishabh.
So it's in 1:6 scale.
Right.
And brand is Hot Toys.
What toys?
Hot
Okay.
Toys, yeah.
Okay.
So let me show you. So this can be openable.
Okay. That
And
is
you even get a Batman with that. So
Okay.
that is also 1:6 scale. So
Right.
you can just keep it inside.
1/6 scale. That is huge, and I'm sure that this model must be very expensive. How much did this cost you?
It is around 96K.
96,000. Okay, almost a lakh basically. Wow, I think that's the most expensive diecast I've seen in real life. And these are also yours. All this.
This one.
Okay, it's okay. So this one is yours. What are these? So this looks interesting.
Yeah, this is the engine for Alfa Romeo,
Okay,
which I got in 1:8 scale model.
1:8.
18.
18, 1:18 scale. So that's just an engine.
Yeah, that's the
Wow. Again, a first for me looking at an engine like that. And that is also yours over there.
that is good.
And I can see that there's the bike, the Batman bike in Dark Knight. And I can see you've got a bunch of RLCs. And yeah, Innos, the A86. Some very cool stuff. So how much did that bike cost you?
It costed me around 32K.
32,000. Okay, yeah. Cheers, man. I think that's a wonderful collection and something definitely super unique.
Thank you. Even that 1:18 scale model.
Oh, so you've got another display over there. We'll get to that later. It's quite far, but yeah, we'll get to it. So welcome back. You said that you'll show us some more stuff.
Yeah, I even
Please go ahead.
1:18 as well.
Okay,
So I have kept it over there. So I want to try that.
okay. So that I think is a SP3 Daytona,
Yeah, that is
the white one. Yeah. What make?
Burago.
Burago. Okay.
And this is
Lightning McQueen.
I don't know the brand because
Okay.
it didn't came with the brand.
Okay.
And this came from officially it came from BMW.
BMW. Oh, that is an insanely good-looking model.
That is basically
That's a dream car for all of us who grew up playing NFS Most Wanted.
Yes.
It's like my favorite game of all time. And yeah, given that you have the... Oh, the hood opens.
Yep. Good door.
Wow, very cool. Very cool.
And the door open.
Door opens as well. Yeah, but okay, fair enough. You don't have space. That's all right. अच्छा, so McQueen का भी ये खुलता है?
हाँ.
अरे बढ़िया.
उसको
Yeah. Oh, that has some very good detailing on the inside. It's very pretty. And do you remember how much this cost you? You don't remember. That's all right. But yes, 30K.
Yes.
You have some expensive, expensive
It's
taste.
rare also. You don't get it.
Definitely, yeah. But cheers. Thank you so much.
Thank
And you have an Instagram as well, right?
Yeah, you can follow me on Instagram as well as on YouTube. My channel name is Gothe City.
Okay.
GOTHECITY.
Okay. Brilliant. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
So next up we've got Jay. Hello Jay. You've met him in the last meetup. So how are you doing? What have you got to show us today?
Random cars. These are uncarded ones.
Okay.
These two are green lights. This is an auto world.
Okay.
This is a 60th anniversary Matchbox.
Okay. 60th anniversary Matchbox. Very interesting. And where did you get it from?
In USA.
USA. Yeah. So like you had mentioned, you have relatives who
Yeah,
get stuff
yeah.
for you. Very nice.
The diorama I made.
Okay, that's a handmade diorama. Are those
Grape.
grape? Yeah. Grape sticks. That looks very interesting. Very cool.
So
And over here?
the mini GT.
Mini GT. Okay. That looks very nice as well. And I think you got this in the last meetup. And this one as well. Yeah, both of these I've seen before.
This is a
Very
new
cool
one.
stuff. Okay, this is a new one. And again, this is from the US. How much does this cost you? $5. Wow, that's a steal deal. I mean, for Hot Wheels Premium, less than Hot Wheels Premium price, you got that kind of a collection. No Encyclopedias for sale today? Okay. Alright, hope to see that next time. Thank you so much, Jay. So, your good name?
Neeraj.
Neeraj. Yes, pleasure to meet you, Neeraj.
Thank you.
Okay, what have you got to show us today?
So we have the Forza premium box.
Yeah, the Forza Premium box. Wow, you've got some very nice cars there. That Lamborghini and that Porsche are to die for. And this box cost you how much?
Roughly around 3.1k.
3.1k for the box of 5. So again, imported box at nearly the price of its premium. Very nice.
We have one more chase, like you said.
Yeah, so this is a chase. The funny story is he wasn't even aware it's a chase. Yeah. So how you spot a chase is basically this has different wheels than the box art. And yeah, it's a chase. And you got this from Cars and Dolls at MRP, right?
Yeah.
Brilliant stuff. Okay. So MRP for this I think was
1,999.
1,999. But I'm sure you got for a bit lesser. K&D also I think for 1,600.
This is
Okay.
one of the limited edition that I have.
Okay,
Around
okay.
300.
Acha, 300.
Yeah, so
That has some very interesting livery on it. Like it's paint splatter kind of. Yeah. On a black base, it's some sort of a paint splatter. Wow, that looks very pretty. Very pretty. And then, how much did that cost you?
that's again from Cars and Dolls.
Cars and Dolls again.
I don't
Okay.
remember the price, but it must be around 2k.
Okay, 2k almost. Fine. And then you've got
We got 2 packs.
2 packs, yeah. Okay, so this is similar to the Circuit Legends
Yeah.
Mustang that has just come. So this one right here.
Yeah.
Yeah, आपके Ford Mustang RTR Spec 5 and yeah, crazy cars. Then this is a BMW 2-pack,
And hot selling.
hot selling. Yeah, so this in the Indian market is incredibly hard to come by.
But I got it for 1,400.
1400. Okay, so 711 Supra, super exclusive. This is on the way for me.
Yes.
And
Yeah, and
what
it was
else? Yeah, so you got yeah. So purple color,
yes,
S15.
that's right.
Mini GD loves making three colors of this.
Correct.
Yeah.
And just one because I
Carter
love the
Premium
color.
FNF. Okay, brilliant stuff.
And we have one NASCAR.
NASCAR, yeah, Jeff Gordon. I think one other person has also got it for the last meetup.
Okay.
But yeah, interesting stuff, this one as well. I think Omkar had got a similar car.
Okay.
Yeah. And then these are Jez. Okay, so TH is right there. MK is 25, John the Sharp.
Both are MKs, I think.
Both are MKs, yeah. This was 24, 25, yeah. Brilliant. And this is a Elite 64. Yeah, super cool stuff. So yeah, again, someone from the US probably got for you?
Yeah.
Okay. Very nice.
Thank you so much.
Cool collection. Thank you so much. You also have an Instagram, right?
Yes, I have it.
By the name of?
Pundlik Neeraj.
Pundlik
Pundlik
Neeraj. Sure. I'll make sure to add it in the video below. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
So right here is another collector who's got his collection. He's not comfortable coming on video, but yeah, insane stuff. And is this for sale? Most of it is for sale.
And show this one.
Okay, I can show this one. Yeah, the Kaido NSX red color. How much is that one going for right now?
This red one?
Yeah,
8.5.
8.5k. That is insane. I mean, 2000 is what I think they launched at, but yeah, you can see the appreciation of these models in the market. But super cool stuff. Thank you so much, Guru.
Thank you.
So right here are a few more models for sale. You've got a few main lines. You've got some older stuff as well. Older stuff is at a bit of a higher price than MRP, as you would expect. But main lines are generally at MRP, and protectors and stuff are also available. So next up you've got Surjashish. Hello, I hope I'm pronouncing that right.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
Surjashish. Okay.
Call me Surja.
Surja. Okay. And what have you got to show us?
So this is my collection. So mainly I've got the GTRs.
Okay.
So you have the entire lineup. The
Right, right.
2000, R32,
R33,
R34,
4 and R35. Brilliant stuff. So सारे आपके Hot Wheels आ गए यहाँ पे.
And these are the from the Fast and Furious.
Fast and Furious. Yeah.
This is the recent Boulevard.
Yeah, the Toyota TRD, right? Tacoma.
These are non-Hot Wheels.
Okay, non-Hot Wheels. Okay.
This is Matchbox,
Okay.
Burago. This is a Land Cruiser Tomica Premium.
Tomica Premium. Okay.
Corvette.
Corvette. Tomica, but that's normal, right? That's not premium. Okay.
This is the again GTR 35. This is the
Okay.
anniversary edition.
Okay.
This is from Booster Cars.
Booster cars. Yeah.
So this is the.
This is a new and sort of upcoming brand. Yeah.
So the details are very nice.
Very nice. For the price, like for around 1,000 rupees, you're
Yeah.
getting an acrylic box and brilliant detailing. And these, of course, are the new majorettes. So that is the NSX. Yeah.
This is the one car we got from the Porsche Museum, Stuttgart.
Porsche Museum.
Yeah,
Okay.
so
So
this is
this
like-
is where in Germany.
Yeah, Stuttgart, Germany.
Wow.
So this is like 11 years old.
11 years old. Brilliant. And how much did this cost you if you don't
I don't remember.
mind my asking? Okay.
Someone got it for me.
Someone got it for you. Okay. Brilliant stuff. And then you've got these very interesting little display
My
cases.
daughter's collection.
Okay.
These are the fantasies, the Astro Custom.
Yeah.
That is the color changing one.
Yeah, the Transformer, right?
Yeah,
The one that's recently come out.
Yeah. So this we got yesterday only.
Yesterday itself. And it's here today. Very nice. Yeah, the K-swap. Yeah, and these are majorettes. Okay, this is I think from the 90s. Yeah, okay.
ZR1.
CR1, yeah, and then you've got the pink pig, of course. You've got, these are also majorette, the transporters.
This is also
Brilliant. And then you've got, of course,
these
more.
are for the sailing.
Oh, these are for sale. Okay. At MRP itself.
Yes, at MRP, all price.
Brilliant. So you've got
So I
the.
got two each from Maestro.
Yeah.
GT2 RS and the Scan.
Yeah, the Sian and the. Okay. And then you've got these majorette collector edition ones right here. So Bel Air, Shelby, GT500, Camaro. So all these are $899 each.
Yes.
And these again, F40 Buraguki, Pontiac
Pontiac
GTO.
GTO. This is rare to find.
Yeah, that is rare to find. I've not
This
seen
is
that.
two different series of CCA.
Okay, but you've got the striping and all of that, right?
Yeah.
The BMW M stripes. That looks very nice.
So this has a display case also.
Yeah, acrylic display case. Okay, I know it is a good price for these kind of. Yeah.
This is the older model.
Okay.
That anniversary edition of this series.
Right.
And this is for 750.
750. Interesting price. And how would you say the make is? Like CCA is not a brand that I've
It
explored all that
has
much.
the suspension,
Okay, it's called suspension. So this is also CCA. Okay.
not rubber wheels, but there is some
Tire trading. Okay.
Trading is there.
Okay.
And they have this.
Yeah, and then you've got some more poster cars that I can see. So, okay.
The Valkyrie.
Valkyrie, yeah, okay. And then this one is the Speedtail. Brilliant stuff. I mean, this is a brand that I'm yet to make a video on, but I look forward to getting more of their castings. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you.
Hi.
So, hello.
This is Shankar.
Okay, Shankar, sorry. Pleasure to meet you,
So
Shankar.
these are my few vintage collections.
Okay.
Majorly into from 1950s to 1990s,
Okay,
and more probably is more into the vintage classic cars itself.
okay.
These are the Zamac series.
Okay, so right here you've got the Zamac.
These are the Zamac series. So the reason why I bought this was Hudson Hornet was one of the cars which was not available anywhere.
Right.
So that's the reason I bought the whole set for Hudson Hornet.
Right. That
And-
I think was a motivation for a lot of us to
Yes,
get that particular set.
correct.
Yeah.
And then I started my collection with these two. These are the first two which I bought in.
Okay.
And then 10 years into the making, these are few of the collections were into it.
Okay, so you got mostly vintage cars, right?
Yeah.
And most of them are carded. I can see you got.
All of them are carded.
Okay.
Yeah.
All of them are carded.
Rarely you would be finding more because I am more prominently into GTRs as well.
Right.
You would be getting more of the GTR cars as well with
Okay.
all the series.
Okay,
From,
okay.
the start itself to
Okay.
the latest ones as well.
Right. Okay. And then I can see you got a few non-Hot Wheels and Matchbox. Right here I can see your only.
Few of the Matchbox I have rare models as well. Over here, this is one of those as well.
Okay.
So this is a Mercedes,
Okay.
and few of those are the main lines as well as those are premiums as well, which are available.
Okay.
And there are few more which are still in the process to reach away.
Reach to you. Okay.
Yeah.
On the way in
Yes,
transit.
and
Okay.
this is one which is Subaru BRG,
Right.
and that's Tomica.
Tomica. So I had done a video recently on a pop race Subaru BRZ.
That's the one.
Similar make,
Yes.
but yeah.
The color is different. That's it.
No, I think the color is also similar. It's blue. It's like a very dark blue.
But then
Okay. And then right
and
here
this is the Mini GT. That's 901.
Yeah.
And one of the major good thing is if you find the mirror is only from one side.
One side, yeah. So this is something I've mentioned in my videos that
Yes.
cars of the 1970s.
Yeah, they do.
have-
If all the cars have only on the right hand side itself, because of that similar story which is at narrow roads
Yeah.
and no overtaking.
Yeah.
Right now it's more about the overtakes and
Yeah,
everything.
true. Okay. So yeah, that's an
That's
interesting
it.
collection. Thank you. And you have an Instagram as well, right?
Yeah, but those are more into motorcycle bike videos and everything. So
Okay,
that's
okay.
30 and biker.
Okay. Cheers. Thank you so much.
Most welcome.
So next up we've got Jatin. Hi Jatin. Hello. So what have you got to show us today?
I've got Mattel
Car series. Okay. So you've got McQueen.
Jackson Star,
Yeah.
the Kachao Lightning McQueen,
Yeah.
and the Kachao Francis.
Francesco Bernoulli. Okay. Very nice.
Apart from that, I have some of the carbon hypercars.
Okay.
One of them is the CM model gold carbon Pagani.
Okay. Imola.
And next up, I've got Pagani Utopia.
Okay.
Black carbon with the opening engine cover
Okay.
from CM.
Okay. So CM models. And how much do these CM models typically cost?
Between 2.5 and 3.5.
2.5 to 3.5. Okay.
So next up, I've got this event exclusive Tamaco Yes.
Okay. Yesco.
It's also full carbon with golden accents.
Wow, that looks very pretty. Very pretty. And then next, what have you got?
Next one is an import from Japan.
Okay.
This is also in last year event exclusive.
Okay.
Purple carbon.
Purple carbon. So you are mostly into collecting event exclusive and super rare stuff. Okay, brilliant stuff. And then you also bought something, right?
Yeah, just let me get.
Okay. So Jatin has also purchased something at the meetup. What have you got, Jatin? So this right here is the RLC Lamborghini Miura. And just show us the car. That is super pretty. That sort of fluorescent Spectraflame green paint. Very pretty. I think we've seen this in Ashutosh's collection tour. But
But getting this as a perfect price.
yeah. So how much did this cost you? 5K. And where did you get it from? Okay, so these guys, Mini Diecast House. Okay.
So another one that I got is this.
The Peugeot Hypercar. Yeah.
At MRP.
At MRP, right here in the meet itself. So that is of course the inbox one. I have actually customized one of these cars. So you can see right here, I actually got it. So it's got painted headlamps and painted tail lamps. अगर आप लोग कस्टमाइज करते हो तो आप लोग ये भी एक ऑप्शन एक्सप्लोर कर सकते हो guys. We'll get to what I've got to the meetup a bit later. But thank you so much, Jatin, for now. Thank you so much. So next up, we got Arya. Hello, Arya. What have you got to show us, bro?
Some mini GTs.
Okay.
Here in the front, we've got a lot of Porsches. I love Porsche.
Yeah.
If you can,
So
if you can
Rexy, Roxy, the Kula Master twins.
both ones.
Yeah.
This is a very hard to find. I tried to find it for almost 3 years. Recently, I've got it.
Okay.
911 GT3.
And then
This is
you've
the
Again, the GT3 RS. So you've got the non-carbon and the carbon
Weissach
variants.
package.
Yeah. So I made a video on this one recently. Where 963 भी है आपकी. This has been incredibly hard to get.
Yes, it's very
You've got the Chiron Super Sport
Super Sport
300
plus in
Yeah.
the carbon color.
The world record setting
Yes,
car,
yes,
right?
yes, yes.
And then you've got
This is a very unique casting. I don't think a lot of people will know about this. This is
Right.
a JKM Bugatti La Voiture Noir.
yeah. So La Voiture Noir is only one of one in the world.
One of
right?
one in the
Yeah.
world. Yes.
And you have Anish 64 model of that. That I don't think is a brand that I've particularly explored. How much do you think that cost you?
This in India, I've seen people selling from 900 to 1100. I got
900
it
to
for
1100. Okay.
but if you'll see, it's incredibly heavy. For the
Yeah.
price, this is very good.
Can I just
Yes.
Yeah, that is very heavy. That feels almost heavier than a mini GT.
Yes.
So I'll be super careful with the mirrors here because.
detailing wise also, I'll compare it to Mini GT definitely.
Okay. Yeah, so comparable
well-
price, comparable details.
Yes.
Very nice stuff. Here we got a few other nice cars as well.
Here I've got a few McLarens and Liberty Walks.
Yeah, McLarens and Liberty Walks. Okay.
Here I've got
Top
two
secret.
Top secret.
Yeah, so I did a top secret Supra recently, the Bob Race.
I've also got that, but I've got that on 303. So
303. Okay.
I'll have to wait a bit for that.
Wait a bit. Yeah. Okay. And then you got the S15 Silvia.
It's the RX-7.
RX-7 livery. Yeah.
Silhouette one.
787B livery.
787B.
Got it. And another RX-7. You got the GR86, right?
Fair Lady Z.
Yeah.
It's a Fair Lady
Fair Lady
Z.
Z. Okay.
In the gold colorway. This is, I think,
Yeah.
a very underrated casting in underrated
Definitely.
color.
I think it's still on sale for a few like websites.
Yes,
and
yes.
everything.
I've seen the blister on Cars and Dolls. Maybe.
Yeah.
It's there.
Okay. Then we've got this Corvette, the IMSA Corvette. This is the pre-race F1 GTR, right? Or is it post-race?
Post race. This is the new
This
one.
is the post-race.
Yes,
This is the
post
new
race.
one. Okay. And then of course you've got the Liberty Walk.
Liberty Walk Aventador.
Aventador.
And here in the front you can see special castings. This you saw, I think. He also has. That.
Yeah. So similar to what Jatin has, these are of course Time Micro, Tarmac.
This is
Interesting
very
stuff.
special casting because of
Right.
Hans RX.
Yeah, and then you've got a few Formula 1 cars here. So you've got the Mercedes and the Red Bull. This is a Tarmac, and I can see you got like this pole position board right here.
Lewis Hamilton actually won a race, so
Yeah.
it is the actual car. He won it.
Actual car.
This is the I think considered one of the best Formula 1 cars of all time.
Right.
W11.
Yeah, W11. And then of
Very
course
hard
you've
to
got then of course you've got the Red Bull. This is Max Verstappen.
Yes.
Yeah, insane stuff. Very cool. So all of this I'm assuming was at MRP, right? Like 1200 to
Some
2000.
like this and this. These were a little bit expensive,
Little bit
but
expensive.
otherwise
But older stuff, right?
older
So,
stuff
Yeah, difficult to
had
come
to.
back.
Yes. So
Got it.
almost all of other cars are about
Okay.
on MRP.
Brilliant stuff, but thank you so much, Arya.
Thank you.
So next up we've got Prithviraj. Hi Prithviraj, pleasure to meet you. And what have you got to show us?
So today I've got a few dioramas that I think
Yeah.
custom-made dioramas.
So custom made, all made by you at home,
Made
right?
by me from scratch.
That is insane stuff. Those look super good. So first up, you've got an Advan themed diorama that I can see. Tell us more about it.
That's right. So that's so you've seen there are some miniatures.
Yeah, minifigures.
There are cars from Hot Wheels, Hot Race, there's
Mini GT.
GT as well.
Yeah.
So everything inside it is all custom made, like from the door, frames, covers.
That is some insane attention to detail, and that is all handmade, done at home. And what else? That I can see like a gas station.
Yeah, that's a Shell fuel pump.
Yeah.
And you see.
So you've done insane detailing on the rear. You've done like shelf of bottles and stuff.
Right, so that's a little bit of 3D. This is the brick effect. Then there's
Yeah.
some fuel pumps, there's lighting around.
Right. Yeah, I can see red Revuelto hidden at the back.
Yes.
And you've got this very cool levitating display, and you've displayed the APWK F40 from Inno over there.
Yeah, that's my favorite car. That's one thing.
Yeah, that's something that I've got as well. I'll show that in the video later. And next you've got this sort of a garage diorama, right?
Yeah, so it's like a parking lot, small parking garage.
Yeah.
Where there's a small theme, where there's a photographer and the standing in front of a H2 and everybody planning.
Got it. And you've got another Inno right there. Pocket Bunny S15. That looks very cool. Oh, S13, sorry. And then you've got this other very interesting display. So this one
These are all
is
Kaido house, but except this one.
Except that one. But that like Liberty Walk is next to Kaido pretty much in terms of white body and all that. Then you've got these as well. So again another Liberty Walk R34. This is the original.
Original one that
Yeah,
this one is
Skyline.
based out of.
Yeah. And then you've got this Batmobile. Of course, you've got a few more cars over here, some very interesting ones. You've uncarded the Circuit Legends 499P. So that is a very cool move right there. And yeah, I can see these also. These are yours as well, right?
These are all mine as well.
Okay. And these figures are also made out of metal. Can I?
Yes, of course.
So this one, yeah,
They're
it's
all
very
die-cast
heavy.
and everything.
All metal, all die-cast. Very insane stuff. And how much do these figures cost you approximately?
One would cost you around 600 bucks.
600 rupees for each figure.
Each
Yeah,
figure,
that's a good collection though. I mean,
Right. But you have to procure them, so you have to,
Yeah,
there's
of
a lot
course,
of
it's a
waiting
lot
time
of,
involved.
of course. But very, very interesting stuff. You have an Instagram page,
Yes, it's all scale diorama.
All Scale Diorama. So make sure to give them a follow, guys. Thank you so very much for your time. Thank you. So finally we are at my mat, guys. Generally मैं organize करता हूँ तो खुद का ला नहीं पाता ज़्यादा दिखाने के लिए. But today I bought a few Liberty Walk cars. So these are all the Liberty Walk mini GTs you could say. ये आपकी S15 है, the Spectra Frame Green. This is of course the white Countach, the 720S, the R34 and the Punto or the Abarth, sorry, 500 Fiat case. Then of course this is the Inno F40 Dark Chrome. एंड यहाँ पे कुछ मेरे कस्टमाइज मेन लाइन्स है. तो आप लोगों ने शायद मेरी इंस्टाग्राम स्टोरी देखी होगी वेयर आई हैव डन व्हील स्वैप्स फॉर दीज कार्स. सो आई हैव एडेड सम हेडलैम्प डिटेल्स एज वेल विद पॉस्का मार्कर्स जो मैंने प्रभाव वाले वीडियो में मेंशन किए हैं. उसके अलावा व्हील स्वैप्स वगैरह भी है. ये पॉश पे भी मैंने टेल लैम्प डिटेलिंग एंड व्हील स्वैप्स किए हैं. सो अगर आप लोग कस्टमाइज करते हो तो फील फ्री टू रीच आउट टू मी ऑन इंस्टाग्राम. आई एम हैप्पी टू हेल्प यू अलॉन्ग. एंड या ये कूजो भी है जिसका मैंने हेडलैम्प एंड टेल लैम्प डिटेलिंग किया है. So finally we've got Rohit. Hi Rohit, thank you so much for organizing this meetup.
Thank you. It was a pleasure. I mean, we had to do it. We
Yeah.
had to bring the community together.
Right.
So this is one small step towards doing that. I don't have my collection right now on display, so
Yeah.
I'm posing with your collection today. So thank you for letting me do that. And I think that was the beauty of it because we saw different collections from different people. We saw people bringing their own custom dioramas
Right.
made at home. We saw your collection where you have customized. Even this card,
Yeah,
that
the
was
Pujo.
one reel that I made that you should definitely highlight this.
Yeah.
And you are showing it that it can be easily done at home,
Yes.
in relative terms, of course. And that's the beauty of it because we are getting to see so much new stuff. We saw some real car collectors also come here, not just diecast ones, but real car collectors come in and interact with people. And so many stories, right? Every car from Hot Wheels all the way to some really expensive stuff and some inexpensive stuff as well. Where people got it from and all that kind of stuff. So, beautiful stories that we all had, lovely interactions. And Cafe PNQ, thankfully, opened up the space and gave us the entire floor, right? So we were able to interact a lot more without any disturbances. So I think it all just came together quite well.
Yep.
So yeah, I hope you guys also enjoyed it. Yeah?
I definitely had a great time.
Super.
Yeah.
So I think we should do this more often.
Definitely, we should
do
have
this
more frequent and more sort of, bigger scale meetups coming in.
Absolutely, and I'll try my level best to make that happen
Yeah.
as much as I can, with the support of all of you guys, of course, because without you guys, this is not going to be possible.
Definitely.
It's your passion and it's your collection that makes this happen. So thank you so much for everyone who was a part of this. It really means a lot.
Thank you so much, Rohit.
Thank you so much.
This was it for the video, guys. This was a glimpse into the latest Pune Diecast meetup. I hope आप लोगों को ये वीडियो पसंद आया तो do like, share and subscribe. Thank you so very much for watching. Take care and I hope to see a few of you in the next meetups. Cheers.